Don't let the Xinput 3 DLL end your session. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll guide you through the scan to restore your gaming performance. To kick off the manual repair for Xinput 3, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Xinput 3, a localized version of the Xinput controller library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of gamepad haptics and input, facilitating the data link for game engine manifests. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Xinput 3 is part of a game graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, then update GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Xinput 3 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Xinput 3, DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing Xinput 3 related system data. If Xinput 3 is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.